Welcome to math on Thursday, April 2nd. Remember, today is going to be our last day practicing multiplying and dividing decimals. Tomorrow you will have an assessment. It will be 6 questions, and it'll be a mixture of the 2 operations. So let's look at our launching our learning today and see how we can take what we've learned to really analyze those word problems on our test. So first read, Lindsay is scooping ice cream. So first of all, I'm just stopping there and thinking about the scenario. I love ice cream, and I haven't been going to the store that much. I do not have any in my freezer, so this is like making me real jealous right now. But I know that she's scooping ice cream, so I'm imagining she's got a carton, she's got a scooper, she's got some bowls. I can kind of start to visualize what's happening in this problem. Step 2, I'm going to read a little bit more and get some numbers and some important information. Lindsay is scooping ice cream. The container holds a total of 9 cups. So now when I'm thinking about that ice cream container, it is full of 9 cups of ice cream. Each scoop holds 6/10 of a cup. Perfect. So I've got some numbers, and I know that they are taking scoops out. So I'm like literally imagining like scoop, bloop, and they're putting it out to the side. Okay. Third read, let's look at the question we're trying to answer. Lindsay is scooping ice cream. The container holds a total of 9 cups. Each scoop holds 6/10 of a cup. How many people could they serve ice cream to? All right, so I'm trying to figure out how many people. So in my head, I kind of know that my answer is going to be a whole number because you can't have a fraction of a person. Remember, we talked about this in our last unit. Really paying attention to those details in the question can help you critique whether or not you feel like you did the problem correctly. Just like I did the other day with the vitamins, I am imagining that I have, a delicious thing of ice cream, and Lindsay is making scoops of 6/10, 6/10, 6/10 of a cup out of these 9 cups. So for me, I know this is a division problem because I'm dividing scoops out. Remember, this is going to be a big thing that you got to figure out on the assessment tomorrow. Is it multiplication? Is it division? So my equation is those 9 cups. I'm dividing them into 6/10. I picked this problem today because of these certain numbers. So let's kind of check that out. So I set it up, 6/10 divided by 9. We know, like I said the other day, immediately 6/10 has a decimal in it, our divisor. And our divisor cannot have a decimal in it. So I need to multiply it by 10 to move that decimal out. So when I multiply that decimal by 10, it shifts my decimal 1 place. And now this is a 6. I picked this problem because we also have to remember with a number like 9, if I shift that decimal and I make it 10 times larger, that 9 actually turns into a 90. So I'm going to take 6 and divide it into 90. I can see here that my decimal in my dividend is actually on the outside of the number. We've multiplied that decimal out. We can still, remember I said in one of the earlier videos, we can still do the whole rooftop party, the elevator straight up, but it helps me to see that my answer is going to be a whole number, which I kind of figured already because it said people. So how many 6s can I find in 9? 1. 1 6 is 6, so 10 6 are 60. Then I have 30. How many 6s can I find in 3? Well, none. But how many 6s can I find in 30? 5. So I put those together, and I can see, I don't have to put a decimal back in anywhere, that I could serve, right over here, 15 people with ice cream. So today, please ask questions. You do have that assessment coming tomorrow. Miss Klein, Miss T, and I, we are totally happy to help you guys out. Just reach out with questions. Happy math!